Are you not getting views on your videos, or you believe that anytime you uploaded your videos, you are not getting views, people are not discovering your videos? That is, maybe YouTube is not recommending your videos, and you might believe that maybe your channel is not growing. Although there are a lot of reasons why you might not be getting views if you did not do the right thing at the right time. Yes, because growing YouTube channel usually takes time. But in this video, I want to share with you at least 3 key plans you need to start adjusting today on your YouTube, so that you can start getting your views. Yes, getting views is not easy to sit down and record a video, or making a video, and at the end of the day, people did not come to watch your video or subscribe to your channel. Is very, very bad. Now, without even delaying much of your time, I want you to go to your YouTube analytic, go to under overview, and go and check your YouTube search terms. These search terms, these are the keywords people are searching on the YouTube search bar, and your videos are coming out to the viewers. So what I actually want you to do is take your pen and your book, jot all these keywords down. After you have jotted them down, then the next step is actually you need to go to your YouTube studio, go to settings, go to channel, and go to basic info. You will see your channel keywords. The first keywords should be the name of your YouTube channel, so that your channel can be recommended. But any other keywords, just put the top 3 keywords from this search term. Put them inside your channel keywords. The reason why I'm telling you this is anytime people search these keywords, then your channel will be the one to be recommended to them first. Why did I say this? Just imagine you pick a keyword that millions of people are searching, and your videos is now coming out as number 1. Do you know how that is important? It shows that people will definitely click on your video and they will watch, because your videos and your channel is going to get recommended by YouTube, because you have optimized your channel keywords, so that the way people are searching this certain kind of keywords, your videos will be suggesting to them, your channel will be suggesting to them as the number 1. Just imagine. This is how you start generating views. Maybe you are getting this wrong. All these keywords you have input inside your channel keywords, maybe they are not relevant, they are not related with your content. Just pick the top 3 of these keywords of YouTube search term, put it there, and your channel will start getting recommended by YouTube. The algorithm will actually understand, oh, this is the kind of content this channel is making, this is the kind of videos you are uploading. So this is how YouTube is going to understand your content and start recommending your videos. That is the number 1 plan I actually want you to do. Now, the second plan is, just imagine somebody is watching a video, and below that video, your content is being suggested. Just see the power of video content suggestion. So, and for the person to click on your videos, something must really entice the viewers. That is why I'm going to tell you that how are you creating your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very important. Now, let me explain how you can create your thumbnail practically, and you are going to get people to click on your video. Because if you don't get people to click on your videos, even though if you optimize your channel, you optimize your video with YouTube SEO, you might not get click. So whenever you are creating your thumbnail, ensure the words on the thumbnail is not more than 5 or 4. At minimum 4 and at maximum 5. And ensure the words is readable. People can easily read it. It is bold enough, so that people can easily get the information you have put on the thumbnail. And equally, ensure it is well light. The contrast, let it to be light, so that people can see it vividly. Not dark one or red one, something that people cannot get the information. No. Ensure the thumbnail is bright, curiosity driving. People can easily say, oh, what is on this thumbnail? Let me click, let me see what is there. But not a clickbait, because your thumbnail should also represent what your content contains, so that people can go along watching your videos for a long period of time. Yes, so it's not good to be doing a clickbait. So this is a huge update. Just imagine people content suggesting your videos, and they are seeing that your thumbnail is really okay. They will surely click it, and that's how you start getting views. So that's why I will tell you, just create your thumbnail like this, make it precise, accurate, curiosity driving, and it should be okay. That's how you start getting views. That's the second plan I actually want you to do. Now, the third plan is this. Are you creating a playlist? If you are not creating a playlist, you are missing a lot of views, because YouTube actually recommend videos and equally recommend playlists. And end screen. When people watch a video from this playlist, what the end screen actually did was that it will now suggest another videos to them, because once they watch this video finish, they might tend to go and watch another channel. But your videos will now be suggesting another content, another of your videos to them. Then that's how you start getting views on this your present video and your previous video which you have added into the S screen. That's how you start getting views. So these are some simple ways you need to start doing today. You need to optimize this with your YouTube SEO and start getting views. This is not more than this, just this 3 step. Pick your keywords from your YouTube search term, put it inside your channel keywords. The second one, just the second one, your thumbnail should be okay and title should be okay so that people can really click your videos. And the third one, create a playlist, add an end screen. That's how you do it. Now, after that, call people to action. Tell them to subscribe to your channel, like the video, make a comment. That's how you start generating view, because when people watch your video and they make a comment, your channel will start growing, because YouTube will understand that these people are engaging with your content, because after they make a comment, it shows that they really want to engage with you, and you cannot just ignore them, because when they make a comment, you need to add your own comment, reply to them, and that's how you start growing. So these are the important features you need to start doing today. If you are not doing it before, and this is how you start generating your views, you start generating your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So it is not more than this. So if you have any comment based on this, guys, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.